Today in this video we will discuss how to fix randomly shuts off on Samsung A04S. Let's start the video if you want to fix this problem. So first of all, go to app library, click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on general management and click on reset all settings. Reset setting, enter phone pin, click on continue, again click on reset. So it just reset all setting, it's not clean, and remove your phone memory and data. After the process, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. But if it not solved, if you want to fix this problem, so restart device. Just click and hold side power button and click on this restart icon. Again tap on this restart icon, you will see your phone is restart. After restarting, enter phone pin. You will see your problem is solved. But if it's still not solved, go to app library, click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on software update. Click on download and install. You will check your software update is latest. If it not latest, update your software latest. After update software latest, go back to home screen. Please subscribe for more new latest videos. Thanks for watching.